In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Recaptcha not working in Google Chrome. If Recaptcha won't load, keeps asking you to verify repeatedly, or isn't working correctly, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the issue. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser, then select Settings. First, make sure Chrome is up to date. In the Settings page, click About Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install any available version. If an update is installed, restart the browser before testing Recaptcha again. If the problem continues, return to Settings, then open Privacy and Security. Click Delete Browsing Data, select Cached Images and Files and Cookies and Other Site Data, choose an appropriate time range, then click Delete Data. After clearing the data, reopen the website and check whether Recaptcha is working. If you're still having trouble, click the three-dot menu, go to Extensions, then select Manage Extensions. Temporarily disable your extensions, especially ad blockers, VPNs, privacy tools, or script blocking extensions, as they can sometimes interfere with Recaptcha. Refresh the page after disabling them. You should also check your internet connection and try opening the website in an incognito window. If Recaptcha works there, the issue is likely caused by an extension or stored browser data. If the problem affects multiple websites, restarting your computer or resetting your network connection may also help. On Windows, you can flush your DNS cache by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and running the ipconfig flush DNS command, then restart your computer before trying again. After completing these steps, reopen Google Chrome and test Recaptcha on the website again. In most cases, one of these solutions will resolve the issue. That's how to fix Recaptcha not working in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.